Yeah.
Jiva is starting to push traders. So watch Jiva over here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I have a feeling it could just die now. Uh, the VWAP 337. After that, I have Golden Zone. You know those Gaffin crabs that are really like they do like a three wave pattern. I really hope it doesn't do that. Like one high,
Recording stopped.
then another
Okay,
Recording
high,
in
ready?
then another
progress.
high. You know.
BA buddy, after the bad news, bounce reverse above the J lines. Look over here, my chart. We rejected
Yeah.
first the J lines at 5:30. Price was 182. We had a dip of 175, bounce and then reversed. I mean, at the open, we can expect over here or a dip into the 183 and then long, so long in a dip, or if we fail the
They
J
said
lines
it
and
was two
rejection for a
million
short.
float
Yeah, I
or
love
four
Mondays
million
like this,
float. So
buddy. I
like,
love Mondays like
I'm
this.
a
I mean,
bit
besides the BA that is
like
tragic,
this could
uh,
have some
I like the
shenanigans.
fact that we have a lot of possible setups. Uh,
No.
for me, the best ones would be personally for me, Jivo, NRSN, HSN, and if we have a push,
Would you go for VWAP?
UTME. Okay, yeah, I agree. Also BBIG, BBIG, BBIG. Always, because I remember, Car, Matt, remember you guys, maybe also Sean, when we had, even Matt, I think, we had one day Jivo, a crazy volume, crazy, crazy volume. And we were all short buys of that. And after the pre-market high simply ran. So I'm always, having my mind, okay, if that happens, I don't believe today, uh, even if they have the illusion and they have the high cash, so too controversial, I would say, opposite parameters, but I'm still looking for that short. Nice huge pre-market resistance between 490 and 5. We can work below that pre-market high. I like that pop and feel if we can have NRSN and HUSN. I'm liking those a lot. Yeah, yeah, SP, yeah, SP. Yeah, Matt. Okay, I'm gonna keep over here. if you're looking at my book map, I'm gonna keep two book maps up. So you can even like, screen share only partial of my screen. I'm gonna put Jivo, and I'm gonna put over here probably NRSN. Yeah, Jivo and NRSN. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of zoom out. Okay, so we can see the main levels. All right. Jivo is good at 5. Jivo is good at 5. 240 would be amazing on an RSN. HUSN has to pop here.
Yeah.
Let it pop. UTME has to pop
Oh, yeah.
here.
You're
But
right.
even maybe
Even
this.
this, yeah, that's right.
Jivo. It's so strange that I cannot see Jivo on gappers under DAS CP or DAS Cobra. I don't know why.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see it? I always have this Nasdaq gainers or over
Those are
here,
good longs on
nice
the 9
gainers.
EMA the previous days.
Let's see it. Strange. Ah, okay. Got it. Yeah. That's true. My bad. Thank you, buddy. Let's see my market scanner. Yeah, I don't even have it over here because mine is set at 15% up. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Usually, um,
Okay, G
what I
was
look
pushing
for
over
is
here.
like 9 EMA
then
curls
did
above the pre-market
475.
high
Love this
if
push
it
at 5 plus.
consolidates above it. Yeah.
Seven minutes to go. Chill. Don't be stressed. I saw a lot of traders who are stressed last week. Don't be stressed, traders. Don't be stressed. Have confidence with your trading as long as you respect the setups and your risk. Giro's popping. Possible pop coming on Giro. The market high over here is at 493, 492. Yeah. 488. Jiva now is up, confirming me again. I think 13%. My scanner over here is working now. In this market, I'm telling you just now, Nvidia, Facebook, Apple, AMD, I would love a wash to the J lines and long. Okay, all of those I would love. Wash out, J lines and long.
Guys, HUSN is like popping.
5 minutes to go. Jivo rejection over here.
Yeah.
To confirm. But now I mean this is too split up this way.
Yes.
It will be a beautiful Monday, traders. It will be a beautiful Monday. It has to go 7:15. I'm looking for a pick around 7:15 or 7:50, okay? If you have this morning, traders, a push that I don't alert, please write it instantly, okay? Remember, we are trading together. I will be fast if I see something. Thank you, Marcel. And this is what I meant. Thank you, Eddie. Lizzie, it's day 2. Lizzie, at that previous day close, pop 210, pop in field short. 3 minutes to go. After 4,
Yeah.
2, 4. And RSN is trying to curl above 220 on watch. I'm looking at 240 for a short. AMD rejection. Dip Nvidia, dip on Facebook, dip on Tesla. Yep. And if they're all following yes over here, that is dumping. Eighty seconds to go. Jivo has a lot of orders between 480 and 505. I believe the same person with 10,000 every 5 cents. "45 seconds. So possible wash on MD, Facebook, Apple, Nvidia too long, Tesla as well. Okay, 10 seconds to go. Open. Wash over here, summon NVIDIA. Big pop in field the 7. Didn't come. Tesla, big wash. Market bouncing over here. Tesla bouncing. Apple, big bounce. Bought some dip on Facebook, 213 and 20. So long Facebook
I should have
traders,
played the
213 and
MULN. That
20.
was such an easy pre-market high rejection. Yeah. And the barrels were giga cheap.
Nice the dip on NVIDIA and pop. Two minutes passed. Big push. Big push. Apple pushing strong. Jiva popping.
That's some pretty good volume though. 600k.
AMD push.
Bruh. Didn't short it. But it might come back up. It's definitely possible. Oh my god, MULN. Holy crap.
BBIG push over here. Shorting BBIG over here, 316. Shorter BBIG 316 traders. Still holding NRSN.
Yeah, yeah. I feel a bit stupid now, cause I didn't even short it, and I took the barrels on it. Oh, bruh. No, cause what happened was like the heat maps were above it, and it wasn't at VWAP, so I was like, oh yeah, it will it, like it needs to go more to the heat maps.
So nice watches, as we said, to look for on Tesla, Apple, Nvidia. The only one that didn't work over here is Facebook. All the other one were pretty good. BBIG 310.
He already shorted. I think he was at Golden Zone.
KDK pop and fail. Watson lazy for a push to 210 and short.
Yeah, on HSN, I honestly like no, the power of now, the power of now, the power of now. Oh my god.
Covering half BBIG 308.
Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment. No, because I just feel like incredibly
took it,
stupid
guys.
for not having
Took
taken it
Tesla,
for some reason.
Apple, and company. Shorting around 216, 217 Litzy.
Is that kind of looks like a J line rejection?
It's just there. The previous line, near the pre-market line.
Oh, it's coming.
It's it's very liquid, careful.
Would you short? Oh wait, this is a bear trap, I think. With the volume is kind of is 300K.
Putting over here BBIG heat map.
Oh, I think it might.
We have a 320
600K.
resistance.
Yeah.
I'm still holding my short.
Where do you think it's going for?
This came down to 0.4, but very liquid.
50.
put my pop, HUSM pop, let's say HUSM. Let's see if we can get, looking for 350 or previous resistance 376. Push over here and shorted BBIG
Yeah,
at
same.
325.
What happened?
NVIDIA, sorry, pushing. So J lines work perfect on these. This is very short. Adding over here on BBIG. UTME beautiful and RSN beautiful over here. Still holding an RSN. BBIG, there we are. I'm fully loaded. I have like 10% to add, but I'm fully loaded. NVIDIA pushing, beautiful. I loaded too, buddy. Let's stay with that 310, right? Was a previous support. That's the reason why I'm telling you. HUSN, I went a bit higher. And RSN, I'm still holding. RSN could be even. Perfect NVIDIA, perfect AMD. Geo, nice pop.
You know, I might make money on my locates on HUSN. Cause it was 3 cents, now it's 12.
BBIG, there we are, 310, buddy. Beautiful. And RSN is pushing up again.
Mark, I honestly don't feel like
Looking
shorting
230 to
HUSN.
40
What do
for
you think? It's
NRSN.
like,
Givo, let's wait for the breakout of 490 and a stuff short.
yeah. It's above, cause it's gonna be above the open at 9:45.
Givo over here, I have an NRSN over here.
Okay.
NRSN, NRSN. So, what, 3? HUSN, there we are. Took a starter, HUSN. BBIG coming to the first target. Getting filled at 312. That's a nice one. Beautiful, buddy. Beautiful. So covering over here. This is a gap and extension, okay? Gap and extension, perfect. A plus setup. Covering. App. J-lines, 1 minute. 311. Then we had this morning NVIDIA, Apple, all for on the over, but in this case is also J-line curl, so work very good. There we are. NRSN. Watching that 230 on NRSN. Or a short. NRSN is trying to pop. Added NRSN. 235 added short. So shorted 235 NRSN. Max risk will be high of day for me. NRSN, good stuff. On to brokers, my average is 236 on NRSN. My final target would be 160. Well done, Carfed. It seems very similar to mine. I will post when I'm done. I'm trying not to cover here on BBIG. I'm trying not to cover. And I'm looking for that 200, which would be at 280.
Yeah,
I'm
me
holding, I think,
too. Didn't
half,
give my
half
pearls
over here.
back.
So I'm waiting over here for NRSN. Let's see.
Yeah. Yeah. I think it's faking that it's weak. Or I don't know.
NRSN 230, always going there.
360, 370.
BBLG.
Oh, bruh.
BBLG halted. BBLG is starting to look at this one. Remember, it's halted. BBLG. Mm-hmm. Let's see also NRSN because if I don't.
Yeah.
Here.
Bruh, it's just dying. Damn. Okay, I should credit my lookers, bro, before they drop in price. Yeah, that is. Yeah, I see that sometimes.
Push on NRSN. I'm still holding my short. I filled more right now, 250 on that stuff, risking 260.
that's a bear trap long on NRSN. That's pretty good. Yeah, same. Same.
There we are, pre-market high stuff. Waiting for this BBIG to come all the way down.
Oh, I don't have.
BBLG open.
Oh, for real? Yo, I low-key made money on my locates.
Watching BBLG over here, traders. Only on a blow up of this, I will enter. This is an extension.
Pog. Poggers. My locates were like $7 and I got back $10. Yo. RSN. RSN.
So reversal over here, traders, on Apple, Facebook, AMD, Nvidia.
This thing. Three. Give over. PBIG. PIG. Bro. $28.
Yeah, BBIG payoff traders. So 2-9 over here, looking to cover more, 5-minute J lines.
So like I made money on my locates on HSN. So I paid like $7 and I got back 10. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fuckers. That's fuckers on my locates.
Possible fill on our NRSN.
Actually, I think NRSN could be a long. It's on the 9 right now, above pre-market high. Let's see, where's my risk? NRSN 255, like 10 cents. 10 cents. Divided by 10, 20. Let's buy a bunch.
HUSN 1 minute J lines traders. Tesla J lines. Apple J lines. Jivo J lines over here. I'm looking at NRSN to reshort if we have a pop into 70 stuff, and looking for a target 220 over here.
It's right here. Really?
Let's see here, it's beautiful. So waiting for the short on NRSN. You're welcome, buddy. Watching Tesla over here if we start curling.
Mm.
Still watching BBLG traders. Having my covers on BBIG around 280. So at this point, my rules are above pre-market high, also 10 a.m., no more short NRSN unless para move, looking for during day J lines curve. We had the first good pop and fill, and then the second one I took the stop. So that's fine.
Yeah, for sure.
U2ME traders, I missed this pop this morning. 295 was a good one. Jivo, we had the J line rejection and pop at the open. So all faders besides over here and RSN. Apple J line rejection, Tesla J line rejection, but I'm waiting out of pre-market range. So big caps waiting out of pre-market range. And RSN over here going almost parabolic.
You know, NRSN, I had a feeling it would do this because it was low float and there was not much dilution. So, like, if, yeah, I should have watched this to play. But, like, it's too late. Like, I'm not gonna play it, but maybe for a Jalen Skrill. There was a moment near the pre-market high that you could have longed. Like as the 9 came up
Look at RSN traders,
with
beautiful.
at pre-market high.
Watching over here the tape going almost parabolic. Will probably halt at 389. No, they raise it now.
I think this is where you use small size on it, or because it's still front side, or do you load on this? Because like it could still trap for 4, right?
Like this.
Oh, I don't know. think you have to small size it.
Yeah, just watch traders, NRSN, don't trade it. For now, I had a rejection at 4. You can see over here liquidity. So it means these are sellers that were ready to jump in. They will love to go for these. So NRSN over here, we have dilution. BBIG coming finally, looking for that 280 and lower. Still waiting to cover, buddy. Still waiting to cover. You said it this morning, Venti. You said it. Seems like our that day, remember?
Mhm.
Just like our.
Yeah.
Communicate this, right?
Yeah.
Everything done over here. Yeah, you see that 4 coming over again over here. So still waiting. We cannot even long because we're far from the 90 MA. Yeah, coming Jalen rejection on Baba. Pick more unwind.
Yeah, I need to focus more on tape, definitely. That's my main
426 traders.
thing I have to
426.
do now.
Yeah.
Possible wash and RSN over here below 450. Nice tape over here, traders on NRSN. Huge amount of volume, bars of 2 million. But I believe some good wash, 20, 30 cents coming. Uh, Baba unwinding over here, market unwinding, Nvidia, Facebook, Tesla, everything is coming down. So now only look for a short, not anymore for a long.
Wow, what a beast NRSN is. Whoa, that's crazy. NRSN. That's yeah.
Stay pushing strong,
Cause I was actually thinking about it
covering over
at the
here, Baba
pre-market
partial.
high, and I was like, oh, I should risk like the $2 that I made on my locates. Just one share, just one share, just long. Like I just should, like I just long one share, you know. Oh, that was also the open level. Like where it like stuff there was the open level. Like on HUSN where it's stuffed, that was the open level.
Waiting for that 280 traders on BBIG. 280, 270, my target.
No. Mhm.
Halted over here on RSN.
Mark,
Seems
if you
halting.
would
No, not
take
yet.
like a 9 EMA long, like where would you risk on it?
Baba want more. Looking for
Yeah, like
205.
on the 1 minute. Well, like both, like 1 minute and 5 minute. Yeah, cause it feels really scary. Cause like it could stuff you out at like any time, you know.
And RSN halted over here. Mhm.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. So it's in a channel because it hasn't made a new high because it's not trending. Like a newer high because it's not trending. Um, a trend would be like there's a newer high. No, cause you know on like big caps it goes over the pre-market high and then like high, then another higher high, another higher high, and then there's a lower high, and it's not technically out of the trend, like it's not backside yet, but then there's another lower high. You know. I don't like it's kind of hard for me to grasp the context because like there's different time frames for it, right? and so you could say that like 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 on the short term, it's in a trend. But then on a higher time frame, it's in a channel. All right. Yeah. Mhm. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah. But for for it to be uptrending again, it needs to be above 3.1. Okay, yeah, yeah, but like for it to be uptrending again, it needs to be above like the highest high. Mhm. Okay. So that yeah. Okay, let me pull it up. Y- you know, mhm. Oh, bye, Joel. Okay, so you know the 3 minute afternoon long, or like at least the type of long where it does a really long consolidation on like low volume, and it kind of does like a sort of wedge and then breaks out of of that like the tip of the wedge. So those longs are bad because they but they're technically in a channel, right? Cuz like it's not like above like like the highest high. Cuz like Oh, nice, Cody. Yeah, 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 I'm gonna draw something. So, yes, yes. Yeah, yeah, that's what I meant. Mhm. On each bounce. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Mhm.
Over here. So let's go.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
So the first thing I do every single morning when I have big caps, I have ES, also VIX, but ES is my guide. Today we had BABA. So always
Mhm.
look at the
Yeah.
hourly chart. If the price, if the stock is above the hourly chart J lines, then I'm looking for a long. Unless the first few minutes, then I'm looking for a possible FFT, okay? Fail follow through. In this case, you can see the price section. I like always to get out before trading of the pre-market range, okay? So I'm explaining how to trade this. Pre-market range, which is this over here, and the pre-market low is actually
You,
this over here. right?
You
So
want to watch
those are
NRSN? I'm
the
watching
two
it right
main
now,
levels that I'm watching.
like just for fun.
This we can take off. I also look if we are above
Yeah,
or
it's a
below
trend
the
break.
previous day range.
Yeah.
So what happened over here on the BABA? We are still inside the previous day range,
Mhm.
okay? We are still inside. And that's not, oh, I'm not gonna trade it. But when I have the stock inside the previous day range, so inside
All
this
right.
main range over here, I know that the previous support or previous resistances can still be in play. Now let's go back to our chart. And over here, you can see that the first time we break the pre-market highs over here, but remember always off the previous day range, okay? So I'm trading half size if we're still inside the previous day range. So over here, we went up, we had a dip into the J-lines, but again, inside the pre-market range, so no trade. And then this is what I call reversal, because we start shifting, okay, below over here, the level of entry, and we failed to push. The market was starting to fade. Yes was coming down. You can see a perfect J-line rejection. So, okay, with an inside bar, which is this one. Good trade over here, 103.40, risking that 104. And then you can recycle these levels where basically we have 90 made pops. I wanted to go over NVIDIA because this morning they behave like we said. So we were looking for a wash and then for a push over here, okay? So at the open, we have a lot of J-line rejections. So you can scalp these or know the first few minutes I
I
like
think
to
it
scalp.
might be a
And then it push over here,
like it
reversal
reclaimed.
bar over here, and then
So
unwind.
I feel like this
No
is a
pop into the J-lines, but very good, easy one. Again, it's very easy if you start looking at ES when it does this. Tesla, the same thing over here. I was looking also at Facebook.
actually yeah, I think it's right now. I
Facebook
should long watch
faded.
here.
Remember, Facebook is below the hourly J-lines. If I remember correctly, let's see over here. Sorry, it's above hourly J-lines, but it's below
Yeah,
the main trend
been
over here.
along
So
like
it's
one
below the
share.
daily J-lines, weekly J-lines.
Yeah.
And today we had a really weak day on Facebook. Right away, the open popped. This pop was into 90 MA. So you can look to short these pops over here. The second pop was also over here to short. I'm gonna put the 1 minute chart so you can understand what I'm saying. You can see this orange one over here, right? This pop right away, that's your short. And the same thing happened over here. So you can start looking for these fades together with the heat map as we teach, and then all the way down. With big caps we had Facebook, Nvidia, Apple, also AMD, BABA, a lot of stocks. Then I was looking at CL this morning. So we still have, this is a beautiful daily setup. See on the daily, we start having this reversal bar. This is an inside bar, okay? That is, personally, I like a lot these inside bars on the daily, okay? They give me a very low risk. And on the hourly is even better because you can see our swing strategy. Remember when we're talking about, we're looking for a cross of the 9 and 20, so these two. Also, we have over here a cup pattern and bounce perfectly at the J-lines hourly. So this is a beautiful long setup. So this is for CL. For the small caps, we had HUSN. So I'm gonna put over here the 1 minute. Pop, perfect, nothing to say. Hope you took it. This was golden zone, pushing the 358, unwind, waiting for the 210. So not reason to cover over here. This is a gap and crap, you see. So gap and crap, looking for the main unwind. Then we had BBIG. And you can see over here, it tells me gap and extension. So the open, we are looking for this push. We loaded over here around 327 and then came down, pushed over here to the J-line so you can recycle. I recycle over here into the 292. Now I'm looking for the last covers 270 to 80. So gap and extension. Gap and extension has the main target 5 minute J-lines. but the last target, the last possible target is this 200. So ideally, I want to look this. And I'm looking at the volume. Until volume is right over here, I want to stay short, okay? Then we had the big runner of today, unexpected. This morning until here, I was looking too short because we had a good
Oh, the 9
pre-market
EMA
resistance
failed.
250. We had the heat maps, holding J lines, holding J lines. The
It's
volume
like
was not that crazy high. It started to
okay,
get high over
yeah.
here. So I tried
I think I
a
understand.
short, took a 15-cent stop,
So this, like,
and
it can
we never
be
had any more a
like
dip or a
it can try to
pullback
become a
into
bull flag,
nor J
but
lines
like if it
nor
fails, it just
the 90 May
becomes a
unless over here until over here 1023.
a
So how to
trade.
trade this over here? I like to trade these only if they go crazy parabolic and then short. Otherwise, we have a halt and a stuff after the halt. Otherwise, I'm looking for dip longs on this one. Okay. So now another point over here is to look at these dips. We form support with the heat maps, looking for a possible buy and then a push over here. Otherwise, you can see over here a lot of bull flags, right? So these are normal, we say simple trading patterns. And another one was over here. Once we broke the pre-market high, which is this line, okay, it simply held the pre-market line and then started to push. Again, good morning. One tight stop over here on RSN, everything else paid. So let's look traders still for new setups in the afternoon. We will pass now into a 101 for the next 60 minutes, 70 minutes, and then see you later around 12 o'clock, 12:30. In the meantime, thank you for the morning. Great morning. See you again soon. Thank you.
Record.
Mark, on an RSN, like this would be a bad long, right? Cause like it broke the trend line. Yeah. So like is in a range, but like not in a range at the same time. I say it's like 6 to 650. That's a short. Oh, okay. Yeah. It's gonna test six, I think. Um, you know how OTC said that the best risk rewards is um where it's the scariest. I feel like that's true here. It's like, oh, there we go. Oh shit, it's reclaiming. Oh, wait, wait, no. I think he meant the trades where it's not confirmed will give you the best risk reward. I think that's a chat. I'm a long one share. One share, let like like I don't care about the commissions. I don't care about the commissions now. Oh wow. Okay. Oh well shit. Nice. Yeah. So I lost. So like I lost 70 cents on my long. Damn. That's yeah. That's actually crazy. That's like yeah. Same. Oh, it is. 520 to 670. Oh yeah, cause that's where it's stuffed. Yeah, six. Yeah. Yeah. Mhm. Wait. So that's, so that's what I did when I longed at 6:30. Cause like I was longing in the channel. Yeah. Wow. Mhm. Yeah. So on NRSN it was in a trend until 10:36, where it broke the the trend line. Cause like that both flag could have worked, but like it just didn't. I'll show you. It's like just all right. I'm posting it now. It's in the small cap room. The the channel. No, I mean the channel. Yeah. Yeah, that was if that was like actual size, I would have been so pissed. But it was only one share. The Okay, so yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo, isn't this kind of like look at it now? Like it's kind of, dude. I should long one share again. I should long one share again. Uh, okay, so the previous thing that screwed me over was that, like, because I longed only one share, I wasn't really like focused. So like I need to actually focus. So like I need to long one share, but like actually like risk, like, as if I was like full size. Yeah. Hello? No, still can't. Maybe maybe Cody muted me. Wait, let, let me tell. Oh, this is a long right here. Six. One share. Market. 590. Try getting it. Ooh. Okay, I longed one share again. Yeah. Oh, it's working. It's working. It's a bit scary. Yeah. Okay. I think I should put break even. Stop 619. RSI. Stop market. 9. You know where when it reclaimed 6, that was a bounce from the 5-minute 9 EMA. You know when you said to buy it at like 590, that was a bounce from the 5-minute 9 EMA. Yeah, I longed it too high. Yeah, or like the actual breakout of the like 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 the actual like like bar breakout, which was 615 of those wigs. Sorry, one sec. My mom came in. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, it just stopped me break even like in 1 second. Bro, what? Yeah, 670. Dang. Wow, that's yeah. Yeah. That's a bro moment for me. Not like in 1 second it just dropped. And then, like it was break even for me, but oh, I have the one-on-one. Yeah. I don't know if it's yeah. Yeah, later. Alright, my one-on-ones now. I gotta go see you guys in a bit. Yeah. Alright. See you. See you guys.
Hello, Christian, can you hear
Hi
me?
Jay. Yes. Yes,
Hello.
I can hear you. Thank you, Jay. I'm good. I'm
Okay,
okay.
glad buddy. So I'm gonna start recording.
Recording in progress.
Mhm.
So I sent you the plan last week on Sunday.
Mhm.
Then I saw over here you did homework.
Yeah.
So let me see the homework that you did.
So like I didn't retrade all of them, but I retraded the the oil stocks.
Okay, yeah, I see. So we had the push into that pre-market high, right away failed. Good. Possible result, recycle the VWAP in the lines. This is very clear. And this is true. SSR and high volume can go through heat maps like butter. It's totally true. Then over here we have Indo. This move will like even agree the same. So we have the
Mhm.
push, pre-market high dip, and then over here we can look for even a long, and then over here we reclaim and hold Jalen's.
Jay, I have a question real quick. So
Yes.
you say to long, like when it's trending. So with the small caps is usually when it's above the pre-market high, but here like on Indo, um like b- between 9:30 to about like 10 a.m. it was technically in a channel, but
Yes. Over
so
here, it's hard to long, buddy.
yeah.
Best way that I will long on a stuff like this is here or here in this pattern or here or here. Because if we long over here, there's still a possibility that, okay, yes, we can get a squeeze and take our trade big, but also there's a possibility that we can get a stuffed over here and then comes back.
Mhm.
So stay with that plan that I just said. Uh, this is fine, correct? Okay, this is the open level short on a pop over here in the day three. This is the pre-market high, gap and extension, then dip over here, and then we have a curl. Okay, these are good setup for the long. Yes, long on the 90 MA, long on the 90 MA. I
Cuz
like this.
cuz the thing is here like cuz that's l- like a triangle, right? But
Mm.
it's technically in a range.
Yeah,
How
but
can
the
I
point
explain?
is, you over here don't look too much at the range. Look at the chart pattern. Chart pattern
Okay.
always range. They're called volatility contraction because over here you can see that triangle
Mhm.
or a bull flag, and then you're buying into the 90 MA, which is a pretty good level to long for me. So this
Mhm.
is a good setup that you mark both of them. Okay. Always you will have a correction to the 90 MA, and when we have this correction to the 90 MA and then curl, that's a beautiful long. Perfect. Over here, I see, okay, that one, this
Oh,
nothing,
oh my bad. That one
no problem.
yeah, I don't know why it's like that.
Let's see this over here. Okay, this is on the 5 minutes. J-line rejection, correct. Golden zone, correct. Using bookmap, nice pops. Short, 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 then above the pre-market high, we don't look anymore to short. We can long the 90 MA or the J-lines, correct. This is an extension play over here.
So for these you would start small on like before. Okay, cuz at the golden zone like okay, my bad. So when it's front side you would start small, right? And then like at the
Well,
golden zone like
if this is a day two or day three, over here I see day two, then I'm looking if the 200 GMA is above the 5 minute Janus. And then I'm shorting over here the 5 minute Janus. After 9:45, I don't short this anymore. These are the rules.
oh I don't think this was a day 2. This was a dead cat bounce, I think.
Ah, okay. But because over here I see day two.
Yeah, that's because when I was on toss, I actually like the days I said like 30 days back. So like I
Ah, okay.
didn't so it's not like on the day. It's
Ah, okay, okay, got
yeah,
it.
my bad.
So over here, buddy, if this, let's say, is decade bounce, then I'm not really looking to trade short if we are above the pre-market high, unless, for example, we have a huge heat map or if we have a big stuff into the golden zone.
Mhm.
These are more like difficult stocks to trade when we have this, because if we are above the pre-market high, there's no really level that I can consider unless this stuff you can see over here to the golden zone, which I like. Over here, let's see. Extension play. Stuff, previous resistance. Okay, let me put a little bit more zoom. I can. All right. So this is a correct pattern over here. And I like those stuffs. If it's a pure resistance, we can trade at short, but always careful because a lot of these, they won't work, or at least they will work partial and then push still up.
Yeah.
So it's not that if we have a daily resistance, or volume supply means nothing. You have maybe like 30, 40% that will work. You have to look more that above the pre-market high on this extension, you're trading only parabolic or stuffs into the golden zone. Otherwise, leave it.
Mhm.
Let's see over here. Okay, in this case, we have an extension over here into this previous resistance, golden zone. This is much better. Heat map over here. Okay, this is good. This is a good trade. You see it?
Mhm.
So this is the same one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this is an extension again. Careful trading these because we can have the stock holding and then pushing back up again. It's hard to trade these unless you have a big heat map. I won't be trading them. If you have a big heat map, okay, trade it.
Mhm.
These are the stocks that you have to trade. So when we have, for example, a failed pop into the J lines, VWAP, this is a beautiful short. This stuff I like. Okay, over here, what we have? So mid-morning, all
That's the
right.
same stock and
Yes, so above the open level, you're looking for a curl up with the 90 MA, which is still good, 90 MA or J lines. Also, we can see these over here are even good possible long setups over here,
mhm.
just risking this low. So this could be also good. And yeah, good read on this. Good read. Then let me see over here. C-tick, holding J lines, holding J lines, holding J lines, trend break. Okay, I will long over here, exactly
Yeah.
where you put it. That's a good long for me. Let's see over
Oh, this
here.
was my previous trade before, but you gotta scroll down for the longs. This was
Okay,
from before that I did.
okay, this is perfect over here. This is good. This is a good stuff. Beautiful. This is a perfect J line rejection. Perfect long. You see over here 90 MA and J lines. Good long on these dips. Good J line rejection. Also, this is not only J line rejection, but also it's then a pop to the golden zone.
Yeah.
Okay, that level, perfect. So pre-market high short dip J lines. Okay, in this case we have a push over here, and you can see a long consolidation, but never breaks. Hold this level right here.
Mhm.
This is the 5 minute J lines, all right?
Yeah, that's the 5 minute J lines, the purple one.
Okay. So you're showing over here the dips with the 90 May, and I like the what you're showing. Perfect. You see over here also the volume increase at the end of the day. Often we have this pattern. Often.
Mhm.
IMPP. Okay. So let me see. First of all, I wanted to go over a few things over here. The things we have to do are one, looking for J line rejection, J line curl. Looking for respecting the patterns over here, like gap and extension, shorting into the pre-market high. Perfect.
Yes, this was the so BBIG was the easy one today, but I was looking at HUSN.
Okay. HSN, another one. You see perfect over here, pop into the golden zone. And then if over here you see a big selling pressure, then we can
Mhm.
take these short over here.
So what happened was, because I'm actually having trouble pulling the trigger. So
Hmm.
like when it like near the open when it first went to view app, I thought the volume was too high, and I feel like it could go even higher. So like I just didn't short it, and then even when it came back up, I didn't short it either.
Mm. Look over here. You see the push over here, 945. This big heat map.
Mhm.
So is this bar over here. This body you should have traded because you have a lower risk. The volume is high, but this is not only buyers. We have also sellers over here.
Yes.
And the bar that you have to enter is this one over here. You see the heat map? So you can short 354, 350, and then you take all the way down. So that's a beautiful pattern that you have to take me.
Mhm.
Okay. So our plan, as I said this weekend, is to look for this gap and crap, gap and extension, and just this, very, very simple. Okay. Let's see. This, see that we have a rejection over here,
Yes.
and that's your rejection. Big heat map, first target, and then you look for that 200 on the five, gap and crap.
Mhm. I also traded um NRSN.
Hmm.
So I traded it long. So you know when I said that I had trouble pulling the trigger, I was trying to just long one share. Um, yeah, I was just trying to long one share. Actually, I got caught in the stuff there, but it was only one share, so it didn't. Um, around 10:45. You see how
Oh yes, this wash.
yeah, I actually longed twice on the reclaim. You you see how it's stuffed and then reclaimed the 9 at around 10:52. Yeah, here I
Yes,
longed
here.
it. Yeah.
I like that. Beautiful pattern.
But
Beautiful pattern.
so it was only one share. Because a lot of the times I get scared and I get psyched out. Like even when I see like a good pattern, like like before at around 9:40 9:50, like it went over the pre-market high, then consolidated over it for like a little
Hmm.
bit for like 2 bars. Like I saw that, but like I was too scared to trade it.
No, instead trade it. If you see a trend like this, you have to take it. You
Yeah.
have, buddy. These are very, very good setups for you. Okay, so trade
Mhm.
me these longs. This is our setup. What I suggest you is do not have emotions. Work on recognizing patterns.
Mhm.
Work on the setups and take the trade with a hard stop loss.
Mhm.
Okay, this is what we have to do. All
Um
right, buddy. Tell me.
so like between 10:20 and 10:50, it was technically in the channel, right? So I feel like
1020 and 1050. Okay, yes. Yes, it's a channel, but remember that channels are good because we can long these dips into the 90 MA or J-line. So
okay.
always look for those setups over here to long, okay?
Mhm.
Because we want to long when we have a consolidation.
Okay, yeah.
So continue to work, trade the
Mhm.
setups, and don't do errors like I told you this weekend.
Mhm.
Follow the setups, don't take random trades, don't be afraid to take the trades because these things pay a lot if you can buy them.
So
All
like
right.
is it okay that I just take one share for now because
I would take two, so at least we can sell one and then you can recycle another one. I mean, the
okay.
setup is only because you didn't trade a lot longs, so you
Mhm.
always played short. So we take two shares. That's very, very small, but take two shares, then we have to go up with the size. Okay, we
Mhm.
cannot take two shares in eternity. So don't be really scared to take the trade. These are very simple. I mean, you look for dips into the 90 MA curls over here. This is beautiful. This is beautiful over here.
Cause
You have,
so like a lot of the times it's very scary because cause it can wake you out really fast.
I know that's the reason why you always stay there, ready to cut the position.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, when I long, I never go away from the position. You cut if something doesn't work.
But on the 90 MA like longs on the 1 minute, where would you risk?
The low of the bar of entry. If I enter over here, I'm risking this low.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
Okay, buddy, time's up. Have
Mhm.
another person waiting. Good recap. Follow what I told you, and then update me tomorrow. Okay?
All right. Thank you, Jay.
You're welcome, buddy. See you later.
See you.